Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Mr. Fix It per Aptitude, where I'll be teaching you tricks which will be helpful in solving questions for competitive exams. Okay, so today's topic is percentages. How to calculate percentages very quickly. Here, many of the simplification problems require calculating percentage. So I should be showing some trick where you can solve some of the problems easily. Okay, the prerequisites for it is like you can just remember these formulas. So 50% means 1 by 2. Okay, 33.1 by 3 is 1 by 3. 25% is 1 by 4. You can remember these formulas. Not formulas, the techniques. So using these techniques you can solve the problems very easily. Okay, I'll be solving some of the problems using the trick. So 75% of 1200. So instead of writing 75 by 100 into 1200 and calculating it, you can just write 3 by 4 into 1200. You can write 3 by 4. 25% is 1 by 4. So 75% is 25 into 3. So 4 into 3 is 300. So 900. So 75% of 1200 is 900. Okay. So in the next problem, 50% of 300. Instead of writing 50 by 100 into 300, you can just write it as 1 by 2 into 300. So it is around 150. And 25% of 400 is 1 by 4 into 400. You can calculate this orally if you have practiced very well. Okay, keep practicing some of the problems, it will be easy, and you can solve it orally as well without using pen and paper. 20% of 75, 75 by 5. Okay, it will be around 15. And 10% of 50. Okay, so if to calculate 10% and all, you can just calculate it orally. Okay, so 10% of 50 would be 5. Okay, so it will be easy to calculate it orally. You can, instead of writing 10 by 100 into 50, you will get the same. Okay, so to calculate 10%, you can just remove the digit. Okay, and 5% of 120. So in this you can just calculate 10%. 10% is 12 and divide it by 2. So 6. So 5% of 120 is 6. Okay, first calculate 10%. 10% is just remove this number and you will getting 12 and divide it by 2. You will get 5%. Answer is 6. 1%. So I just told you to calculate 10%. So to calculate 10%, you just need to write 0.9. Okay, 10% is 4.9. For get 1%, you can just write 0.49. This is the 1% of 4.9. Okay, so instead of writing 1 by 100 into 49, you can just move the two decimal places to here. Okay, I'll just show you some of the examples again. 11% of 30. So instead of writing 11 by 100 into 30, you can just write it like this: 10% plus 1%. 10% is 3, 1% is 0.3. So 11% would be 3.03. So if you are calculating in the same process also, see. Okay, 33 by 10. You're getting the same. Okay, so instead of writing 11 by 100 into 30, you can just write like this: 10% plus 11, 1%. So to find 32% of 72, no need to write 32 by 100 into 72. You can just write 3 into 10% plus 2 into 1%. Hope you understand. For 72, 10% is 7.2 into 3 plus 2 into 0.72. Okay, instead of writing that like that, you can just write like this. Okay, 3 7s 21, 21.6 plus 0.72 into 2 is 1.44. Okay, 1.44. So add these two numbers. Okay, 21.6 and 4. 4 plus 6 is 1, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3. 23.04 is a solution of this. Okay, 23%. 2 into 10% plus 3 into 0.1%. 3 into 1%. 10% is 8. So 2 8 16 plus 1% is 0.8 and 0.8 into 4 would be 2.4. So adding this would be 18.4. Here it is 18. Okay, so instead of writing 23 by 100 into 80, you can just write in this process. It will be easy, and if you are good in like calculating 10% and 1%, you can calculate it orally as well. See, for 46, I'll just write 4 into 10 plus 6 into 1. Okay, 10% of 100 is 10 and 1% of 100 is 1. 40 plus 6, 46. Okay, 46 is the answer of this. For calculating 55%, 50 plus 5%. 50% is half of 78. It is 39. And 5% is 3.9. Okay, adding those two, 42.9% is the answer. Okay, to calculate 68% of 90, 6 into 9 plus 8 into 0.9. So instead of writing 6 into 10% plus 8 into 1%, I am just writing it directly. 6 9s are 54 plus 8 9 72, 1 decimal. 54 plus 7 is 61.2. Okay, so you can see, instead of writing 68 by 100 into 90%, 90 would take some time. So directly using this technique, you can solve it very quickly. Okay, 7 into 15 plus 2 into 1.5. Okay, so 15 into 7 is 105 plus 2 into 1.5 is 3, 108. And 81% of 80%, 8 into 18 plus 1.8. Instead of writing 1 into 1.8, I am just writing it. Okay, 8 into 18 is 144 and here it is 1.8, 145.8. Okay, it is 145.8. Okay, so this is a short trick which you can use it to calculate percentages quickly. Hope you have liked the video. Please like and subscribe to my channel to get more updates and videos. Okay, thank you. Have a good day.